Hello and welcome to Aarohan Coaching Institute. Today we will discuss the historical background of the Indian Constitution. Without any delay, let's get started. The British came to India in 1600 as traders, and in 1765, the company, which till now had purely trading functions, obtained the Diwani rights of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha region. Diwani right means the revenue and right of civil justice. This started the East India Company's career as a territorial power. In 1858, in the wake of the Sepoy Mutiny, the British Crown assumed direct responsibility for the governance of India. This rule continued until India was granted independence on 15 August 1947. With independence came the need of a constitution. A Constituent Assembly was formed for this purpose in 1946, and on January 26, 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. However, various features of the Indian Constitution and polity have their roots in the British rule. One such example is the Regulating Act of 1773. Regulating Act of 1773. First of all, why it is important. This act was the first step taken by the British government to control and regulate the affairs of the East India Company in India. Secondly, it recognized the political and administrative functions of the company for the first time. And most importantly, it laid the foundations of central administration in India. Features of the Regulating Act of 1773. It designated the Governor of Bengal as the Governor-General of Bengal. This act created an executive council of 4 members to assist the Governor-General of Bengal. The first such Governor-General was Lord Warren Hastings. It made the governors of Bombay and Madras presidencies subordinate to the Governor-General of Bengal. It provided for the establishment of a Supreme Court at Calcutta, with 1 Chief Justice and 3 other judges. So the first Supreme Court of India was established at Calcutta in 1774. This Act of 1773 made it compulsory for the East India Company to report on its revenue, civil, and military affairs in India to the Court of Directors. So in short, the Court of Directors was the governing body. This all that we need to remember from this Act. So let's discuss the key points once again. This act made the Governor of Bengal the Governor-General of Bengal. First Governor-General of Bengal was Lord Warren Hastings. An executive council of 4 members was made to assist him. Supreme Court at Calcutta was established in 1774. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you.